Welcome back to the Advantage app. Today I'll be showing you a third way you can earn extra coins in the app. To start off, if we go to the referral page by clicking the button in the bottom right of the app, we'll be greeted with this. This is the referral program which I explained previously in a different tutorial, but if we keep going down, we will see there's another thing, which is this. So this is the community bonus. As you see, we're all one big group, and the more people download the app, you get rewarded for it, even if you didn't share it directly to them. Just anybody in general, whether you know them or not, if they download the app and we grow together, you get advantage coins for it. For example, when 500 people downloaded it, I got 1000 advantage coins. Then I got 500 for 1000 and so on, and it will keep going as we keep growing. So if you want me to prove this, I'll go to my wallet. So as you can see, when 500 people downloaded, I did get 1000. You see the community reward. If I keep going, I did get 500 as a community reward, and so on and so on. So we're all one big community, and it's better to get sharing.